What are you doing? Did you climb in there? Hi. What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna fall out. Good girl. Silly little boy. You want to get out of there before you fall and hurt yourself? Hey. Come on. Get out.
Yeah.
See, look at my cute pajamas.
Yeah.
Yes, you... Well, I see an accident waiting to happen. What are you doing? You did it. Are you going to go to bed? Hi. You want to get out? You're going to lean into that and get stuck. Don't. Oh, are you trying to climb out? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, keep going. Oh, you're stuck. It's hard, huh? Do you want me to help you? Or do you want to keep trying? What are you doing? Huh? You can't pull it because you're sitting on it. Yeah. Jeopardy's over. That round. You want to climb into the next basket? Okay, it's right next to it. Go ahead. My little monkey. My little monkey, you're a crawler, huh? Go wee! It's moving! Hi. Look up at Mommy. Hi. Went out? Okay.